Hi, I'm Ryan Phillips, Vice President of Philips Safety Products out of Middlesex, New Jersey. My father and I started the company in 2001, making safety products, and have grown greatly over the past years. In our previous ERP system, it was a self-hosted program, and it was extremely cumbersome and labor-intensive on the integration between the manufacturing and inventory controls and the accounting software, which would often break down and cause nothing but nightmares. In 2017, after an extensive search for a new ERP system to grow with our company, we stumbled across Priority Software. Priority Software had a lot of advantages we saw in it, being cloud-based and with their manufacturing program to really help our business grow and expand while integrating different parts of the company to streamline production. When we first started with Priority, we were probably processing 20 to 30 orders a day with about three to four people in the office, and we've managed to keep about the same amount of data entry people, but we are now processing about over 200 orders a day.
Moving to a cloud-based system has greatly improved our accessibility and being able to manage virtually all of our operations anywhere. Priority allows us to manage our flow of daily shipments in a few key ways. We move through our final inspection, quality control area, to our packaging area, and finally to our shipping area, all with the same orders. We are able to print our product labels and our shipping labels and integrate that with our packing slip in Priority, so our customers then can receive all their tracking information and all their pertinent information to their order. Priority helps us manage our inventory through the entire process. One of the nicest advantages I found with Priority is in the purchasing module, managing my purchase orders with tasks and the calendar.
When we first started using Priority, of course there's a learning curve with everything, but we came right out and seeing the abilities that it had in the manufacturing process, the BOMs, the inventory tracking, all the different detailed levels that you can really expand on and use the customizable fields to really enhance your business, cut down mistakes, and improve quality.